Big up on yourself, guys, and welcome back to my world, to my planet. I am your girl, Choreo, and in this video, I am showing you one of the 10 dance moves you need to know for this year's Miami Carnival. So, the first move we're gonna do a butterfly. We now waste no time because we only have 10 days to go. So, simple thing, you know. You bring the foot in, bring the feet then back out. And what you're going to notice when I'm putting the legs in, the butt cocks up, and then I come in and the butt comes under. So in slow motion, a butterfly looks like this: in, out, in, out. So what you find is that there is undulation of the pelvis. The pelvis are rock back and forth, meaning your body are move back and forth. It'll go here, back, here, back. And if you just kind of sit down like this for a little bit, feel it. Just really feel it. Remember, you know, we're doing a modern day butterfly. We now do what them used to do back in the day. What Mama used to do back in the day, and that's what I do. 2021 butterfly, that's what we're here for, sweetie. So we're going hips under, back, under, back. And what you want to feel now, you swing the legs them in, they make a circle as they come out. Circle in, come out. So if you want to use the hands, not while you're on the road, behind closed doors, use your hand them, but kind of try to catch the rhythm. In, out, in, out. I'm going to turn to the side again. It goes in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now, I'm going to add the undulation or the moving and the fluidity back and forth of the pelvis a little bit more so you can see what I'm trying to get you to do. So, facing on this diagonal, I'm going to go in, out, in, out. So I'm doing the same thing. The only thing now is that I'm emphasizing, exaggerating the movement. And again, without the legs, it goes here, back, here, back, here, back. If I go dead side, it goes here, back. That's what the pelvis is doing. That's what the tummy is doing. You're pulling back on those abdominal muscles. Even if you don't feel like you have them, you have something under there. Trust me. Pull in your belly and rock back. So again, here, back, and now we're adding the legs. So in, out, in, out, in, out, in, and out. Now turn the side here now. Remember, you can pause the video and start over, you know. So in, out, in, out, in, out, in, and out. So again, when I go in, the hips are being drawn forward. When I go out, the hips are being drawn backward. In, out, in, out. You see that? You see that? You see that? You catch that? All right. Now with the hands, because I know a lot of people tend to be very fussy. Where do I put my hands? The hands, remember say, at the new day, butterfly, this way I do. So one time gone, people used to do them look at something here. Them used to do them look at something here. But I mean, what's this? We're not do them things here again. We're not do them things there again, right? So what you want to do, twerk is a big thing. Twerk hands is one thing that I like to tell people that they can do with a butterfly. So you can just turn the hands in like that. I just call it twerk hands because when you're twerking, you know, you kind of, that's another video. So you can put the hands here, and all we're doing now is in, out. Because what happens now, because girl, if you're going up on the road, you know, let me tell you about when you get up on the road. You can have your drink in your hand, and you kind of, it's all about the boomsy. All about the boomsy, you see? You're pushing back, you can go over, and occasionally, for those who are very fussy, occasionally I do come up on the tippy toe. It's something that comes natural. I don't want to say go on your tiptoe and you start doing this weird thing. It's really not that, right? So you can occasionally lift like the heel off of the floor to get the ball grinding into the floor a little bit more. Plus you'll have on sneakers or those little booties so your feet will be okay, right? So you can go like that. You can go all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. You can go like that. You can touch like that. You can touch like that. You can come back up. So you can do all kind of nice, interesting things with the hands, right? So what I did a while ago is just touch down, down. The next thing you can also do with the butterfly. So say you go down, 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 down. You can put the hands forward, right? And you can go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. You understand? So these things are really simple. So again, let's do the regular way. Standing upright, hands can be on the hips. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. I turn to the side. I want you to see that undulation going. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. I'm going to step back a little bit. We're going to go all the way down now. Go down there, go down there. Go down there, go down there. You understand? So all that is butterfly. And you go out, here, 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 here. When I go down, it's the same thing that I do when I'm up. Alright? Now listen. I would not recommend anybody to go down to the floor if you know you're going to have to go to your knees first. You don't want to get the knees dirty. Carnival is woman. It's all about sexy and beauty. So if you're going to the floor and you have to put your knees on the ground, probably try to go to the grass if there's grass present, or just not go down there all together. You know what I mean? It really is up to you. But big up on yourselves, have fun, make sure you learn this and practice it. Number 1, see you tomorrow for number 2.